The 2026 Mansory Zeekr 9X immediately makes a strong impression with its bold transformation package. Mansory takes the already massive Zeekr 9X and pushes its appearance much further through an extensive carbon fiber redesign. At the front, the SUV receives a completely revised carbon fiber splitter integrated with new daytime running lights, giving it a far more dramatic and aggressive face. Along the sides, widened wheel arches with functional air vents and redesigned side skirts completely alter the SUV's road presence. At the rear, a larger roof spoiler and a reworked bumper design create a more performance-focused appearance, while a central brake light adds an extra layer of visual detail. Nearly every exterior component is crafted from carbon fiber, and buyers can customize the finish to suit their personal preferences. Even though the overall body shape of the Zeekr 9X remains recognizable, the updated details significantly change its stance. One of the biggest visual upgrades comes from Mansory's massive 24-inch forged FT.19 wheels, which fill the wheel arches with a much more commanding look. Combined with wide performance tires, the SUV appears lower, wider, and far more planted on the road. Another standout modification is the addition of rear-hinged suicide doors. This is not simply a cosmetic feature, since it requires major structural adjustments along with completely redesigned hinge systems. The result feels surprisingly integrated into the original design, although the uniqueness becomes more noticeable when viewed up close. Inside the cabin, the focus shifts toward exclusivity and luxury. The interior is fully red-rimmed with premium leather using contrasting color combinations, giving the cabin a far more customized atmosphere. Both the front and rear seats include ventilation functions to improve comfort, while rear passengers also benefit from a built-in refrigerator integrated into the center console. Mansory adds several signature design elements throughout the cabin, including illuminated Mansory logos and backlit graphics inspired by global locations associated with the Zeekr brand. Carbon fiber continues to dominate the interior design as well, especially across the center console and trim panels. Exclusive Mansory steering wheels, pedals, and floor mats further separate the SUV from the standard model. Under the hood, Mansory leaves the hybrid powertrain untouched, largely because the performance figures are already extreme. The Zeekr 9X produces an incredible 1,381 horsepower and 1,410 Nm of torque, allowing this large luxury SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in approximately 3.1 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 240 km/h. Rather than increasing power even further, Mansory focuses on enhancing the driving experience through the addition of a flap-controlled exhaust system that delivers a far more aggressive sound profile. The original engineering remains intact, preserving the impressive capabilities of the factory setup. Despite its aggressive styling and supercar-level performance, practicality remains an important part of the package. The SUV still offers fully electric seating, extensive rear passenger features, and a strong emphasis on comfort during long-distance travel. Mansory has also adjusted the wheel and suspension setup to better manage the added weight and performance demands created by the customization package. The 2026 Mansory Zeekr 9X occupies a unique position in the luxury SUV world. This is not a standard production vehicle, but rather a complete conversion project designed for buyers who want something far more exclusive than a factory-built model. Mansory clearly aims this creation at the ultra-luxury customization market, placing it alongside other extreme high-end SUV builds rather than traditional mainstream competitors. The final result is a vehicle that fully embraces both luxury and excess, creating an unmistakable presence from every angle.